Alright guys, so today I'm going to be putting my upholstery skills to the test. We have the MK1 GTI seats. We're just going to kind of just start ripping them apart, piece them together, taking all the nice and bad, and yeah. So like this seat here got this bad, but the rest of it's good. So yeah, we'll put this in here and clean them up, and these seats will be as good as new. The passenger side, or actually no, this is the driver's side seat, will be a little bit more interesting. So yeah, you can see it is really bad. So we'll have to put these new bolsters on. The bottom's going to come from this seat right here, and the back's going to be what it is for now. I'm just going to use some fabric and get someone to replace that. Just want to show you guys a little bit how these work here. They're actually like super easy. So to take the back off, what you do, it's really easy right here. Just got that push pin right there, and then this one's broken. They're really easy to break, but pop that off. Right here you just got this little clip Phillips right here. Now what we need to do right here is pry this off. Just like that, it's loose. Wow, I'm learning how hard it is to work with one hand, but then we just do the same thing to the other side right here. Alright, so we'll use this bottom here. These bases apart, just got these little wire, I don't know what you want to call them, they're not really clips, but just wire bent around there. So I'm just going around here, bending them off, and then just using a needle nose to get that. Zip ties for the win. Alright guys, got these things together. Zip ties working fantastic. Oh yeah, can't wait to see them all cleaned up actually, because they're already looking great without even getting cleaned up. The other one here, yeah, you can see that's not very nice. A little bit of some wear there, but we'll see how it cleans up. That there, the problem is I do have this seat back over here. So this one here is a nice back, but the problem is the latch is on the wrong side. So I could just have it, I could just stick it on another one because it's the same down here, but I don't know, I feel like that's gonna drive me crazy. So maybe if that hole drives me even more crazy, I'll switch then. I can always do that later. It's not hard at all. But for now, what I'm thinking is I'm just gonna wait for now and have an upholstery person. We could just cut this here and get it sewn in on the other seat. Just take this part out. So I think that's what we're gonna do. So for now, this is how it's gonna be. Maybe I'll switch it out, we'll see. So yeah, we'll get them cleaned up so they can dry, and we'll stick them in the car. Cannot wait to see how it looks. Yeah, I just think these are like the coolest looking seats ever. Alrighty guys, it has been an awesome day. Got a whole bunch done. Just got the GLI all cleaned up here and looking good. We got the mats here. These are the ones here, they just got a little dirty sitting here, but they're drying right now. These are ones we got at the junkyard, so these are actually factory ones for the GLI, so that'll be awesome. And then I have these cheap ones, which I'm gonna stick in the GTI since I don't have any for that car. The seats are just drying here and they're looking great. Once we get this sewed up, like, they're just gonna look amazing. I just can't wait to see them in the car. Also got these speaker covers here for the back drying. So yeah, just cannot wait to see them in the car. It is coming together really good. We're getting all the licensing stuff figured out. It's just been a pain just because of the whole Pennsylvania, Colorado thing, but I think it's getting finally worked out. So hopefully here in about 2 weeks, it'll be legally registered and all that. And all we gotta do is, yeah, put the seats in. Interior's ready to go. We got 2 new tires, some maintenance stuff, but yeah, coming along really good. Just cannot wait to get on the road. So thanks for watching. Join us next time for some more Mark 1 fun. Peace.